Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to create amazing content with the help of AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, a powerful conversational AI tool that can help you with various aspects of content creation. I would like to cover small introduction about game changer ChatGPT, how to access ChatGPT, how ChatGPT works, how to use ChatGPT, and some tips and best practices. ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate human-like text. What is human-like text here? It is the type of a text that you might write when sending message on WhatsApp to your friend or when talking to coworker in a casual setting. It doesn't require complex programming language like C, C++, Python, Java. For example, what is the capital of India? This is one normal text we speak generally with the colleagues or friends or co-student. So ChatGPT is an application built on top of powerful AI model that can understand and generate text. It was created by OpenAI and released in the late November 2022. So I can use ChatGPT to create other types of content such as email writing, cold emails. Cold emails are interesting. Sending an email to unknown person, asking some help or forward your resume in his company. On the other way, ChatGPT can useful for resume creations, creating stories, video scripts, social media captions, and generating website content. To achieve all these use cases, what we need to do is give it appropriate prompts and see what it generates. If you observe the first 1 million subscribers for the chat GPT, it took 5 days. Whereas Instagram took 1.5 months, Spotify took 5 months, and Facebook took around 10 months. Of course, ChatGPT is not perfect and sometimes it may produce irrelevant or inaccurate outputs, but still ChatGPT is a game changer. Let's see how the ChatGPT can be used over here. As I said, the ChatGPT is the product of OpenAI. You can enter openai.com in the browser and you can see the two options, login and sign up. If it is first time user, you need to go with the sign up. Otherwise, if it is second time onwards, you can click on the login. So let's see the sign up option over here. So you need to enter your email address and continue, so that you need to generate your password. Otherwise, you can use your existing account, either continue with the Google or continue with the Microsoft or continue with the Apple. As I already registered, I'm not going with these options. I will go directly to the login option here. So again, I can choose that either login with my which account I have generated earlier. As I was using Google account, I will log in with the Google account with this one. So within this OpenAI, there is a three products. One is the ChatGPT, other one is the DALL-E. DALL-E is nothing but getting AI produced images. It working very well. Maybe we can try afterwards. And there is a integrated API option. These are the three products available right now in the OpenAI. I will go with the ChatGPT. So by default, it will navigate to the chat.openai.com. Maybe second time onwards, you can go with the directly to the ChatGPT chat.openai.com. By default, it will show the two options here: GPT of 3.5 model, GPT-4 model. GPT 3.5 is the free version. GPT-4 is the paid version. You need to pay for $20 per month to get that GPT-4. Of course, you will get more fine-grained results using the ChatGPT-4. So here my intention to show the free version. By default, ChatGPT will display some options over here: example, capabilities, and limitations. The limitations, like ChatGPT may occasionally generate inaccurate information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So it will give you the proper information before 2021 November only. After that, it may be not aware of the actual information in the 3.5 model. So as I said, ChatGPT maybe sometimes generate incorrect information. Carefully review once the response is generated. Apart from that, the capabilities includes it can remember whatever you prompted earlier. All the information ChatGPT aware of it in the history. So based on that, follow-up questions will be answered. to you. And these are the few examples. A system is providing either got any creative ideas for 10-year-old birthday. How do I make, as soon as you click on here, it will be prompted here. This is the prompt text box where you can see. So after that, you can, so once you give the proper prompt, the ChatGPT is ready to um, send the response back to us. If you observe, once system is generating a response, it is created the chart history over here. This will be available even after some time you logged in back. So the ChatGPT will remember all of your information. So this is how you can use the ChatGPT initially. So now onwards, we can give the more prompts, appropriate prompts, and you will get the proper responses from the ChatGPT 3.5 model. So let's try some prompts over here. Second time onwards, you can open with the chat at openai.com. So we can enter our prompt in the send message text box. So I wanted to enter this message. So if you are late to your home on your wedding anniversary, you should send your partner an apology message. The message should show love, care, and affection. Let's see that how ChatGPT is going to respond it back. So it leave by default as a partner name, and you can replace with your partner name or girlfriend name or boyfriend name, whatever it is can be. And this is what, if you observe, please forgive me, my love. I eagerly wait the opportunity to see your radiant smile and to hold you in my arms once more. So it will consider whatever you gave it, like love, affection, and tenderness, everything. So let's try another one, another prompt by providing the review for the Avatar movie. Still, again, it's provided with the director name and what is the rating, and all the proper information is provided with the all the responses. Let's try one more last prompt. Now I would like to have a program to add two numbers in a Python. So I'm writing a prompt over here and sending to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is responding with the Python code. Now I would like to convert this code into the C sharp. So now convert below Python code to the C sharp, copy from here and shift enter. So now ChatGPT is converting the same code into the C sharp code. So if you know one language, the ChatGPT can teach you 100 different languages. Now let's compare both the programs which is generated by ChatGPT. So right side is the Python program. There is a function defined to add numbers. Number one, number two is taking as input, and it is returning a summation of these two numbers. In the main program, number one is number two is reading from the user input, and after that invoking the add numbers function and displaying the result on the screen. If you see that the left side one C sharp program, it is similar to that. Method is defined with the add numbers, and number one, number two as the input parameters, and two numbers are reading it from the user input. After that, invoking the add numbers. So boom, within the seconds, you can convert Python code into the C sharp. Not only the C sharp, you can convert whatever the language you want it. It's such a easy method. You can use the C sharp. Internally, ChatGPT uses transformer architecture to convert and process to the output from the large data set. ChatGPT uses large multi-core machines to process and respond quickly. One of such multi-core process heavy machines are provided by NVIDIA systems. As a summary, so far in this video, I have covered introduction of the ChatGPT, how to access ChatGPT, how ChatGPT works, how to use ChatGPT, and tips and best practices. I have added multiple videos as part of my channel in the playlist. Please watch it. So as part of tips, I have covered so far the prompts to response in the tabular format, which is more easy to compare the data, large set of data, and prompts to generate response, fill in the blank section, and also use Google extension and ChatGPT side by side. So you will get the both the experience together. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.